ConvertPro CRM has a dashboard facility that can be customized. In this dashboard, we can add certain parts of the entire program that you would like to see on this dashboard. So you have general stuff like Google ads and Facebook ads. Then you have the contacts, how many new contacts counts there was, how many new appointments there was. So this can be customized according to how you'd like to see your reporting and to see what's happened in that month. So this here you can also change the date values here to see to change the periods in which you want to have a look at this in. So here we have the opportunity status. That means how many won leads, how many abandoned leads, how many lost, in different types of graphs. You can have this dashboard is over here, the primary leads and appointment pipeline, and how this was distributed. Tasks is an important feature because tasks is the tasks that were allocated to your staff from the system itself, and you can have a look to see whose tasks are not updated by choosing the team. So this is the 2020 Vision team, and there's no outstanding task. This is due in 1 day. So you can see the another person in here, and you can see what task that person was assigned and where it's due. So it's due in the next 5 days. So you can monitor your staff and whether they are doing their work. Then you can look at lead source report. Where are these leads coming from? So are they coming from the chat widget, DBR, that's database reactivation, from wherever it is in your pipeline? Where are these leads coming from? So you can make assessments and decisions based on that. If you do Google Analytics, you can have your Google Analytics report pulled in here as well. You can have your Google profile report if you're doing SEO or anything like that, or if you just have a Google profile to see, well, we've had 32 website visits and 38 calls from Google. So that's a good thing that you can have a look at here. You can pull in your Facebook ad reports and also see the money that was spent on that. And then you can say the appointment count, how many showed, how many no shows, how many opportunities were created, and what's the total of sales that came across. So many things can be seen in this dashboard that can allow you to make decisions on your future marketing. This is overall what your dashboard is like.